Whatever is born will inevitably die. No matter who a person is, whether they are as high as the sky, as powerful as thunder, as rich as nāga, as beautiful as a celestial being, or as dazzling as a rainbow. When death suddenly arrives, they have no freedom even for a moment. They can only leave this world naked and empty-handed, abandoning everything behind. As high as the sky, some people have attained exalted social status, such as the president, but when they die, they are no different from any ordinary person. As powerful as thunder, even those as fierce as Adolf Hitler cannot escape the reality of impermanence. As rich as nāga, many of the world's enormously wealthy people must ultimately face impermanence. As beautiful as a celestial being, or as dazzling as a rainbow, however good-looking a man or woman may be, they will inevitably develop more and more wrinkles on their faces. In short, regardless of who a person is, when death comes suddenly, they can do nothing but relinquish everything and be drawn to the next life by their karma. We must deeply understand that when death arrives, only Dharma can truly help us.